Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by installing Google Photos and signing into the account you want to use. Once done, grant Photos permission to access your iPhone photos and optionally allow mobile data for backups. Make sure you pick a backup quality. Original preserves full resolution and counts toward Google storage, while high quality compresses to save space. Now that permissions and quality are set, tap Backup and Sync to begin the initial upload, so new and recent photos start flowing into Google Photos. Next, you'll refine what gets backed up and how it's organized. You should enable Backup and Sync and pick specific device folders if you want to exclude screenshots or app images. This saves bandwidth and space. You can also enable face grouping and location-based organization to find photos faster. Make sure to check upload status in the main view and learn to pause and resume backups. Finally, explore storage settings so you understand how close you are to your quota and whether to buy more. To finish, confirm your photos are visible on another device or at Photos. Google.com so you know the cloud copy exists. Once confirmed, use free up space in the app to safely remove backed up images from your iPhone and reclaim storage. If something goes wrong, first check iOS Photos permissions, mobile/Wi-Fi connectivity, and Google account storage. If uploads are stuck, try signing out and back in or force quitting the app. These quick fixes often restore backup activity without losing any files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.